Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first click to start, type task manager. After that click on full screen and then find out the Microsoft uh, w- Windows Explorer, this one. So right click to click on restart and wait few seconds to normalize your system. After that, after this command, your File Explorer will be closed and restart it, and then close it the file task manager. Then next, clean Firefox Fire Explorer cache. So click to Windows, type File Explorer, open it. Otherwise, you can open this PC also. Then click on three dot and then click option. Then click on journal and then click to clean history. Okay, single click, then apply and then OK and then close it. This is actually important for this resolutions. The next, rebuild icon thumbnail cache. So click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator. Right click to run as administrator and type this command and then hit enter, and I will give you this command in the description so you can copy and paste. After this command, again your explorer will be restarted and wait few seconds to normalize, then continue type this command. Okay, you can copy and paste, otherwise you can type manually also. And then again start fire explorer.exe and then hit enter. After that it will start it. Okay, you can restart your system, but if you can complete this task and after that restart. Okay, so last is very important. This is command for the repair the Windows file, dial file, Windows require file. So click to start and then type cmd and then right click to run as administrator. Then this is first command and then hit enter, and after that it will start the percentage. Okay, then second one, then again open to run as administrator, then type to second one. Okay, so both it will like the start it, and sometime it is stopped, so you can click on this dot and then after that hit, so it will start again. Okay, thank you guys, and after this completed, then restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.